and I connect down to his base. He rolls the joints underneath and stretches out. Now, as he does that, my mind is stuck to him feeling what he's doing. So I'll do this 1, 2, 3 times and feel how he's engaging muscle versus elasticity and fascia to bounce me. So in that time, I felt a lot of rising of energy in these 2 areas here. So what I want to do is touch those areas. You do go into the back stance as if you're going to give me a bounce. You move through the pattern and just rotate loop through it a few times. Just demagnetize that tension. And then I come back and I feed my partner, and then I evaluate how well that work was. So now the tension moved across from the center off a bit more to the sides, especially this side. And just go through the loop, go through the basic movement. And I want to feel how the body engages. And demagnetize the activation of those muscles. And then we come in again. Good. Now that was cleaned up. So now I push the force deeper into his body, deeper onto the ground. Try find something else. And then let's say his hip starts to get a bit of tension. I'll go to the hip and release that. And just keep going point by point. And you'll get to a space in which it's really clean and, okay, you've done your work well. Now we want to make it faster. Now that we've got it cleaned up, the speed at which he releases me through him, I want to get that going faster. So in that pattern or loop, I'll feel the base. I'll drop the energy through more quickly. Rather than just releasing, I release at a dropping speed, and then I come back in and test that alignment and balance and how fast it went through his body. And then repeat. Once we've got it's clean, we've got the speed of the drop, and then we start expanding the energetic space of our partner so they have more volume, more ground, more width to their field for him to bounce me on. And we go through each variable of the issue, and it's the feeder's job to fix and communicate what they're working on within the issuer. So most of the time, the issuer goes, "Oh, it's all on me. I've got to get good at this." Now it's a group partner dialogue, and you tell your partner what you're working on. You release it. They're cooperating, and backwards and forwards. What I prefer to do is do the work and watch the changes, and then communicate afterwards. And the reason why is if my partner's paying too much attention to what I'm doing, even though they're trying to help, they may actually be causing more resistance by them trying to relax and drop versus me getting into a deeper unconscious layer and releasing the tension. So you can work with your partner, get a sense of, yeah, I'll do the release and tell my partner what you did, or communicate it and you both release it together. With some people, the team method works well. Other people, you just don't tell them anything at all. You just do the release and then feed, do the release, feed, and you work quietly. Everyone's got a different sort of dynamic that works best for them, and you've got to figure it out. In this situation, we're doing this particular exercise. Because it has a loop inside of how you're relaxing and sinking, you can get your partner to do the loop solo while you're doing the release, and then during the issue, and go backwards and forwards easily. Some exercises aren't really designed to be a continuous loop. So just choose this one to start with and then move into other patterns. Any questions? Okay, partner up, have fun.